Let me introduce you to Pharma Consult Global, your preferred partner for providing quality solutions to technical and regulatory issues. We work with clients from the pharmaceutical and healthcare companies in Europe, USA, Latin America, Middle East and Asia and beyond. And we will provide you with a regulatory and technical solution to gathering access to the pharma markets around the world. Pharma Consult Global also provides high-quality courses based on the latest published technical and regulatory requirements. Please access our Introduction to Training and view the free video on how to prepare your company training program, and look through the comprehensive range of on-site seminars and workshops, professional development programs, and online e-learning courses. We have an extensive library of e-learning courses that includes online lecture, supplementary reading material, and after successfully completing a few multiple choice questions, you will receive an accreditation certificate for your training records. Once a company has purchased a group of training programs for their employees, they can view the progress by logging in and accessing the training programs from the Pharma Consult e-learning platform. Each business-to-business account can keep track of their trainees' progress and performance through the training program report. Companies wishing to incorporate the Pharma Consult Global training programs into their own learning management systems can do so because Pharma Consult supports SCORM 1.2 and 2004 standards to deliver the content of all of their training material. For more information on this, please contact us.